Welcome to our channel. If you want to invest in fractional shares, follow these step-by-step instructions to own pieces of expensive stocks with small amounts of money. Step 1. Understand what fractional shares are. Rather than needing thousands of dollars to buy one share of a high-priced stock, fractional shares let you own a portion of a share, making expensive stocks accessible. Step 2. Choose a brokerage platform that offers fractional share investing with no additional fees. Many popular brokerages now provide this feature, allowing investments as small as $1 in many cases. Step 3. Research companies you want to invest in regardless of their stock price. Fractional shares remove price barriers, letting you build a diversified portfolio of your favorite companies with limited capital. Step 4. Set up recurring investments to automatically purchase fractional shares on a regular schedule. This dollar-cost averaging approach works particularly well with fractional shares, as every dollar goes to work immediately. Step 5. Build a balanced portfolio by spreading investments across different sectors and company sizes. Fractional shares make it easy to achieve proper diversification even with modest investment amounts. Step 6. Reinvest dividends automatically using fractional shares. Rather than waiting to accumulate enough for a full share, dividend payments can immediately purchase additional fractional shares. Step 7. Monitor and rebalance your portfolio periodically to maintain your target allocation. Fractional shares make it easy to adjust positions precisely without being constrained by full share requirements. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.